Hey everyone, my name is Jason with EPSCO. I'm here with Phil Hadia from EPSCO. And first off, I want to say thank you for watching this video. We're in uncertain times right now. Our hope is for peace and health for everyone through this trying time. And as an organization, EPSCO is committed to the safety of our employees and our customers. So we've been working hard to serve you and support you in any way possible during this time.
Hey Jason, thank you. Really, those services end up being broken out into two distinct categories. The first is actually there's two offerings within it, and both of them are free to whoever wants to use them. We think there's still a whole lot of value. The first one is a 24/7 hotline for electrical safety. The second one is a 1-hour class for electrical awareness. And we really geared those two things just to be able to serve a broader public with our overall missions. The second group is broken up into three different categories, one being a remote online training for qualified electrical workers, the second being Arc Flash Services System, which is a system used to do Arc Flash projects remotely without having to introduce new visitors into your plant. The last one is an on-site essential production reliability engineering service.
Thanks, Phil. So again, thank you for watching this video. Our hope for peace and health goes out to all of you. I know electrical safety maybe isn't at the top of mind right now, but we're here to serve and support however we can. If you'd like more information on any of these 5 topics, we've created some short breakout videos. Hopefully that'll answer some questions, or feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help however we can. So thank you and stay safe out there.
Hey guys, this is Dave Hernandez with EPSCO. Hope you all are staying safe during this difficult time. We at EPSCO here are committed to the health, safety, and welfare of the public. We've taken necessary action to comply with all local, state, and federal regulations. We've also repurposed our services to be essential needs for our industry. We want to take this time to thank you all for your support, and we'll continue to serve you in any way possible.
Hey guys, this is Brandy with EPSCO. I hope you all are staying safe in light of the current health situation. This has changed many of our day-to-day lives, whether we are working from home or practicing social distancing at work. We are here to help you guys get through this. We've spoken to partners and to our current clients, and one of the biggest problems is just getting contractors on site. Due to that, we have been updating our remote solutions programs. Things like arc flash analysis can be done remotely right now. We've also updated our online training, and we're working on putting our electrical safety hotline to use. You'll be able to call us 24/7 at zero cost for any electrical safety concerns or questions you guys might have. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.
Hi all, my name is Devin Hunt, here with EPSCO. Here at EPSCO we are in close watch with the global health concerns and how that is affecting our industry. Health and safety are our priority for our clients and our personnel. Please listen to your local officials, your government in times like these. These can help your family, friends, and anyone out there to help them through these times. We here at EPSCO really hope you find peace in times like these, and thank you all for your efforts.
Hey everybody, hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Just want to touch base, let you know that we are working on some innovative ways to support you through this transitional time. As always, feel free to reach out with anything that you guys have, any way that we can help support you through this. We're always looking forward to seeing you all in person here soon, so stay healthy, stay safe, and thanks again. Look forward to seeing you guys.
EPSCO, Electrical Power and Safety Company. Safety, diligence, collaboration.